make you a nice lovely vegetarian dish, which is going to be sweet corn, broccoli, and also some carrot with some mixed pepper, white onion, spring onion, fresh thyme, a little bit of fresh garlic, a bit of pinch of salt, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of pepper, and also we have a little bit of cabbage which you're going to also mix inside of it. I know you're going to love this recipe, so please visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and please leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, and as I always say, we have a lot more recipe for you guys. And stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Remember, this Wednesday coming at 8 o'clock, live on Sky 182 or Ben TV. Nice. So right over here I have roughly a handful of cabbage which I'm already cut up. Over here, broccoli, sweet corn, carrot. Right over here we got some mixed pepper, white onion, fresh thyme, fresh garlic. And also we got a fresh small tomato which is also chopped up inside of it. Salt and pepper, olive oil, and we have a little bit of butter also. Frying pan on the stove already starting to get hot. This is a lovely vegetarian dish, so enjoy from today from Chef Ricardo. Now I'm going to make it for you guys, that's to see. Oh, so right over here, my frying pan is already on the stove, a little bit hot as you can see. What I'm going to simply do, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil inside of the frying pan like this, just to start to get it really hot with the oil and everything. You can see that beautiful smoke coming up. Then what we're going to simply do, we're going to pop in all of these veg which we have just prepped. Look at this. Beautiful and nice. Hopefully you guys will love it. Wonderful recipe today. Give it a little quick stir. Really, really nice. You can smell that beautiful scent coming from the onion, the garlic and the thyme. Really lovely inside of the front pan. Give it a little quick stir. Make your front pan a little bit really hot for this. Looking lovely. Then what we're going to simply do now, let's put in a handful of cabbage. Really nice. Little pepper. And also a little bit of coarse salt. Give it a nice little stir. And turn on your stove a little bit low. So also we're going to put some butter just to give it a little bit of flavor. Nice one, look at that, beautiful, looking lovely. So now I'm going to put in a little bit of carrot, sweet corn, and also we got some broccoli straight inside of it like this. All of these veg you can get at a local shop. Give it a nice little stir. Beautiful, looking lovely. I know you guys gonna love this recipe. And it's also, this is a straight vegetarian dish. If you don't like salt, you don't need to add salt. Oh, that is really lovely. Really nice. Wow. So now, as you can see what I'm talking about, the broccoli and the carrot, I did cook them earlier. So, and I let them cool down. So all they need to do is just add to this to get back really hot. It's on the sweet corn. So this is lovely. And also I want to say, this is ready. Very quick and easy recipe for 9 to 5. I want to come up with a simple look after this. Now I'm going to turn off my stove and I'm going to share it out for you. And nice, now I'm going to simply share out this beautiful veg which we just made a while ago. Look at that. Really lovely and nice. Hopefully you guys love this one. Everything out of the pot. Just look at that. So, really nice. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. You can see the broccoli, the carrot, everything. It's just really nice. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and it is a vegetarian dish, and also you can have this, you can bring it to work, you can have it cold, and also is a wonderful dish, and it's just really natural and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and visit our website at chefricardo.co.uk and stay tuned for a lot more recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful recipe, and also remember Black History Month is coming up soon. We have a lovely recipe for Black History Month. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube cooking program.